good evening to all the office bearers of BCCI, TNCA, of course India Cements, and as far as my fellow cricketers and people from the media, eppadi irakkinga. Well, it feels very nice to be back in Chennai, after a long time. I think it's the longest break between the two visits that I've had in the last 9 years. So it feels good to be back. My fellow cricket friends, Dinesh is here, Badri is here. They taught me a lot of Tamil, but the last 1 year I've forgotten a lot. So I would keep myself to English. As far as the Premier League is concerned over here, first of all, I would like to thank all the franchisee owners and the sponsors, because without them, a tournament like this can't start. Leave the fact for a tournament to be successful, there are a lot of other things that are needed, but if you don't have the owners who are willing to put in that money and back the players, it can't even start. So thanks a lot for being on board. Also, a tournament like this, what it really does is, in a way, it promotes cricket. What this tournament will do is it will take cricket into a lot of cities that are not used to watching the big games. A lot of games will happen at night, day-night games. It's something that encourages a lot of youngsters to say, I want to play there. I want to be part of the team. And it's all the small motivations that really help players become big in life. The first instance can be being part of the team that is playing. Once you are part of the team, what you want is to represent your state, which is TNCA. And then the ultimate aim to represent the country. So I feel it will act as a great motivational booster for all the youngsters. Also what it becomes a ground for the youngsters to show what they have got. Now we all know the amount of T20 leagues and everything that's really happening in India and around the world. People are in constant look of talent. And this is a platform where they can prove themselves. It acts as a ground where once proven, they can be part of different types of teams. So in a food chain, it becomes like a feeding ground. So from there to the TNCA T20 team, then getting into the CSK or some of the other teams, that are part of IPL. Let's admit, it's very difficult to start something. So I feel it's very important, especially for the players who have consistently represented Tamil Nadu, who will be part of this league, and the players who have further represented India. Often you may think, maybe the money is not big enough, but this tournament is a way of you giving it back to cricket. What you are doing is, you are pulling the youngsters. You are teaching the youngsters how much of hard work is required to be part of the state team and ultimately to get into the Indian cricket team. So you will be the guiding power that will tell them, these are the areas where you need to put in the hard work. So this is where you give it back to cricket. We have all been cricketers for a long time, but there comes a point where you have to give it back to cricket, and I feel all the Indian cricketers, especially the big names that will be playing the tournament, it will be their responsibility to guide the youngsters, to guide them in the appropriate direction so that, the best comes out of them. As far as the fans are concerned, I felt, the Chennai fans have been just fantastic. But I feel it's very important to clarify, when I say that, it doesn't mean some of the other fans are not good. It's not like that, The good thing about Chennai is they appreciate good cricket. You may be from an opposition team, which may be franchisee, which may be an international team, but if you play good cricket, you get appreciated here. So I feel that's what makes this place very special. So I would like to wish all of you all the very best for the TNPL. Try to make the most of it. Matches is something that really makes cricketers good. You may practice the whole year. If you're not getting matches, there's less ground for you to prove yourself. Also what it does is, it will help you improve as a cricketer, because franchisee cricket is to some extent very result oriented. So you'll start getting used to playing under pressure, playing with some of the bigger names in cricket, and of course people coming in and watching the game. So make the most of it, enjoy the occasion, enjoy the period that you will get as a team, make the most of it, and enjoy cricket. That's what the most important thing is. Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure being here. Hopefully my next trip to Chennai is not after 8-9 months. Hopefully it will be very soon. Thanks.